Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gamma AI tool. First, navigate to the Gamma AI website and either log in or sign up for a new account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. This is where you'll find all the essential functions and options to start creating your presentations or documents efficiently. Now, let's create your first project. Look for the New Deck or New Document button and click it. You can then select from various pre-designed templates or opt for a blank canvas for full customization. The next crucial step is to input your topic or main ideas into the AI prompt, guiding Gamma to generate relevant content for you. After Gamma AI generates your initial content, it's time to customize and refine it. You can easily edit any text, swap out images, and adjust the overall layout to match your vision. Don't forget to explore the AI suggestions for additional improvements, ensuring your presentation or document is polished and professional. Finally, let's look at sharing and exporting your completed work. Gamma AI allows you to share your project directly with others using a unique link. You can also export your presentation or document in several formats, such as a PDF for offline use. Alternatively, present your creation directly from the Gamma AI platform for a seamless experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.